Guys, today I will open this new pack which I purchased of Pokemon. So let's pick 4 cards. And guys, the shopkeeper was giving this for $10. So let's see what has. Ooh, Leaf Energy. Oh wow, a Pikachu. Raichu. Oh, Samazenta V-Star. A Turnip VMAX Zacian V. Another Zacian V. Simisear V-Star, look at that. Oh, Samazenta V. Another Zacian V-Star. Guys, I think we got many dogs. Oh, Mew V. Rayquaza. Radiant Charizard. Another Samazenta V. We have got a dog team. Regigigas V-Star. Tularaton VMAX. Luminion V. And a shiny Gardenia's Vigor. Look, this is pure shiny. Look. Yeah, this is shiny. So guys, bye-bye. And please subscribe. Click the notification bell. And like. Bye-bye.